Hey, it's Jasmine. I was eating my snack of macaroni, and my brother comes and jumps off the stairs.
I'm jumping off the stairs too.
Alright, you can jump from that stair. And these are our stairs. Jay, can you see the chairs in the picture? Does it show all the...
I can see my little.
I want them to see the stairs, not you.
Until I jump down.
Do they see the stairs?
I can see Cameron.
Stairs. Pretty high. Okay, Cameron, you want to go first?
Yes.
Alright, can you see yourself?
Yes.
Alright, jump. That's my doggy. Alright. Good boy, Chance.
No,
Good boy. Alright, Cameron, get Chance away from here so Jaden can jump.
No. Now it's my
Oh, God.
turn. Now it's my turn.
No, Cameron, hang on. Jay, we're not dabbing with the dice anymore. Put them away.
My face hit the ground. Okay, now I can see.
Jump!
You're lucky for the face hitting the ground.
Alright, hang on. Not yet, Jay. You get yourself ready.
Let's get to see the puppy.
No, I'm getting slow motion.
You're put on slow motion mode?
Yeah.
You can do that.
Yes, we need to figure out how to again, though. You can come here if you want, Jay, while we figure it out.
You get go.
Slow motion.
Okay. Try to go fast.
Wait, hang on.
Go fast. Slow motion over.
It won't even show up when if I go so fast.
Oh. That's how slow it is?
Chance! Yo! No reason to be doing that. Jay, come here, look at this.
What? Do it that kind of color then.
And then here's my pictures. Whoa.
Huh?
Look, I took a picture of it, see? Well, hang on.
You can do that mode?
Yeah, see, look at it. It's a picture.
Can I try that? No, do that mode. Where it's the different colors. Hey, I want to get a picture in. Hey.
This is not different colors. This is fire.
Oh, great. No, do me in a fire mode. Make me jump in fire.
All right, and then I'll do...
Could you do fire jump in the...
and then I'll do Cameron. Cameron will be slow motion.
With raining?
No.
I would like...
I can't do two of them at once.
I like raining.
All right, Jaden's jumping in the fire. Jaden, can you see yourself?
It's so hard to fire.
Cameron, move. Jaden's jumping first. Move.
Alright. Here we go. My turn.
All right. Slow motion.
And I'm going to do the rain one.
Start now.
Slow. Alright, I want slow motion now. You can't. No, chance break. Chance, no. Give a chance video too. Sus. Alright, back to Jaden. In slow motion.
Hang on.
And then I'll get Wayne. Hey?
Cameron, come on. You need to move. Heck yeah!
Like that? Like that? Okay. Go
Make it rain, rain. Make it rain. Make it rain. Both of you jump at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Make it rain! Jay, you totally messed that up. You're supposed to do it at the same time.
Sure.
No, go up there. When I say make it rain, you guys need to shout, make it rain, and jump, okay? 3, 2, 1. Make it rain!
Beat her first.
Bye.
Video now.
See ya.
Now get a
Put it on
video
YouTube.
Now get a chance.